A Facebook page versus a Facebook profile. You're probably here because you're wondering, what is the difference? Which one do I need, especially to make money? So first off, or if you're a business, like, you probably have the same question. First off, a Facebook profile, it's more of like for connecting with friends and family. You have the option to DM people. You can make it like, it can be something more private, right? But the page is something public where people can kind of just find you as a creator, as a business. So you can definitely have your profile page, right, where you're connecting on a personal level with people, where make it private. You add people, who you want to, right? But your page, if you have a business or you just make content, something like that, you can do that separately. So boom, have your profile, make your profile page. Okay. Now that we got that down, you can make money on both of them. So if you didn't know that, it doesn't matter. It used to matter, but it doesn't now. You can grow each one. You probably have to put a little bit more effort into your page though, because you gotta drive the traffic. So I would use your profile page and constantly post like, hey, follow my page. Cross promoting is what they say, to push people from your profile to your page. But yeah, you still have the option to get stars. When it comes to getting paid off of views though, Facebook actually tells you what you have to do, but they are very selective about who they choose. So, I know you have to have like a good following. I would say at least 10K. And then your engagement has to be high. You have to get a lot of shares, but just, have a very active page. If you're wondering what niches work really well for growing your Facebook page, cooking content. The day in the life vlogs, people love those and they continue to watch them on repeat. Clothing vlogs, outfit of the days, tutorials for hairstyles, relatable content. So if you do one of those, you could easily grow your page up. So right now I'm in the process of growing my own page. So I'll share with you guys in another video once I get to that point where I'm actually getting paid on views. I'm honestly not right now, but I'm seeing a lot of growth in my page. I'm getting to know the platform. I've shifted from IG to Facebook, so it's definitely different, less aesthetic, I would say, and more just like vibes. The audience is definitely different. People will comment like, girl, what you talking about? Are you serious? Versus Instagram, where it's just like hearts and emojis. I forgot to add this in the video, but in order to have a page, you need a profile. So a page will not exist. You can't just make a business page unless you have a profile. Again, you can make your profile private. You cannot even choose to post anything on it, but if you want the page for your business, specifically for your nail business, to reach customers for hair, whatever, make the profile. And then as a content creator too, for Instagram, you actually do need a Facebook page, regardless if you post on it or not. It's weird how they make it set up like that, but you need it. So I would just make both of them and see how it goes for you. But yeah, let's get back to the video. Here's how you set up your Facebook profile in professional mode. I'm gonna follow the instructions for you. My page is already set up, but I think I can kind of just walk you guys through how to do that. So I do have the Facebook, what do you call that? The app on my phone. I definitely recommend you download it because it's just a way more convenient. So yeah, they're trying to get me to download some software. I don't know about all that. Okay, so go to your professional dashboard. So I'll go here. Right here, you're gonna find your professional dashboard. Showing you guys all my business. It says tap content monetization. So you would go up here. That's where you will find this. And as I mentioned before, I don't make any money, but we'll get there. You guys are going to be with me on this journey. But as you can see, it tells you what you are eligible for and what you're not, not yet eligible for. So if this, was the option that I could use, it would be right here. And then it says submit. That's where I would you know, sign up to be a part of that and be involved in that. So I would, you know, keep checking this frequently to see what you qualify for and stuff like that. But these are the ways to get paid on Facebook, including doing brand deals, which is what I mainly do on Instagram and TikTok right now. But yeah, so that's how you do that. And okay, now let's do our page. Okay, now we're doing it for our page. I'm pretty sure it's like the same exact thing. So you go to your page, you go to the bottom, and professional dashboard is where you'll find all this information. I'm not even at 500 yet, which I know is what will allow me to get stars. But anyway, same thing. It tells you what you're eligible for and what you're not. So I have some goals, but I really like that, yes, you can set like different goals for yourself and, you know, just help yourself to kind of stay on track, have something to, you know, keep yourself going. These are really, really fun to do. So yeah, I would definitely consider doing them. Oh, and it has check your status. I don't think I'm eligible right now, but oh, and you can get notified when you are eligible, which is cool. Oh, it's 2 of the 4. Okay, so it tells me, so yes, I still need 500 followers for my page for 30 days. So that's my goal for my page. But I'm loving Facebook. You know, I feel comfortable there. Something about it, it's giving me, like, it falls in the middle of TikTok and Instagram, but Facebook is just its own lane, you know what I mean? But yeah, I hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe if you like this, if this was helpful in any way. If you have a business too, you don't necessarily need a page, right? You can honestly just use your profile and you're good. Like, it's just an extra thing to have to distinguish yourself, to promote your business another way, you know. But yeah, you know, because sometimes you want to be separate too from yourself. Like, you're Asia, I'm Asia Santos, but then it's like, oh, Asia has, you know, a marketing business. So I might want to make that one for my marketing business specifically. Then I might want to make one for, you know, just my relatable content, like something like that. Yeah, you know, I hope that makes sense. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, I feel like people also get confused with like groups, and that's different as well. You would make a profile group separately. That's page, group, profile, they're all different. But yeah. All right, I will drop some questions too. I'll see you guys in a later video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.